Hello everybody, welcome to another beginner's tutorial session. Today we are going to show a basic way to install or upgrade a graphics card. In the motherboard, we are going to install the graphics card in one of these silver color spots. These are called PCI Express slots. For this example, we're going to install the RTX 2060 because it's the one that I consider as the best in terms of cost and benefits. It has ray tracing and gives better results than the GTX series. But this demonstration works with any graphics card model of your preference. I am excited to do a demonstration with one of the cards of the RTX 3000 series and replace this one. But for now, let's take advantage of this beauty. After the 3000 series, I guess Nvidia will come up with 4000 series and so forth, but as long as the graphics card required to be connected to a PCI Express slot in the motherboard, this tutorial will be useful in the future for any graphics card model. Depending on the motherboard, there can be more than one PCI Express slot like this example. So we are going to use the first one right here. Make sure to be careful while installing it. Don't put big pressures on this one and make sure to align both the male and female PCI Express connectors. At the end you should hear a click and everything should be firm and stable like you see here. Then secure everything by putting the screws in place. If you are upgrading to a new card, the process is similar, just that you will need to unscrew and unmount the old one for the new one. Another important requirement is this PCI Express cable. It has male connectors that fit to the female connectors in the graphics card. This cable comes from the power supply and gives power to the graphics card. For a second graphics card, use this other PCI Express cable and install the card on this secondary slot. Don't forget to do some proper cable management so cables don't get caught in the fans or look messy. Before we finish this tutorial, let's go ahead and test the card with some gaming. For the test, we are going to use this software called MSI Afterburner. You can just Google it and download it from its website. Once installed, some key indicators will need to be selected and configured. So click on Settings, make sure your graphics card is recognized, click on Monitoring. For this example, select GPU temperature, GPU usage, memory usage. Before I forget, under Edit section, make sure to check the box Show in on-screen display, so you can be able to monitor these key indicators while playing a game. Then we have CPU temperature, CPU usage, then we have CPU clock, CPU power, RAM usage, and the frame rate per second, which is a very important one. You can configure this however you want. Once you are done, click Apply and click OK. So on the upper left corner we see our key indicators and the graphics card is working fine in normal mode. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. See you on the next series.